Hey, welcome back, everybody. I know today in this video, it's not my normal setting. I had some type of editing error. I don't know what happened, but I wanted to walk you through exactly how to use this expense tracker. This is the expense tracker that I made in order to help you track your expenses so you can figure out, do I meet the ratio requirement to pay off my mortgage? If you don't know who I am, if this is your first time seeing me, my name's Jeff Hanna. I help people pay off their mortgage in 5 to 10 years and create tax-free retirement incomes, as well as help them out with other different financial planning-based tax mitigation strategies. This video is specifically going to be talking about mortgage-free life. If you haven't seen part 1 and part 2, go watch that after, which you can find below after you watch this video. But this expense tracker is going to help you figure out exactly what comes in and exactly what goes out every single month. Because when I talk to people about mortgage-free life and we're going through their numbers, a lot of the times they'll say, oh, was I supposed to include that for expenses? And it's like, yeah, we have to include every single thing that leaves your checking account, because at the end of the day, we're treating the mortgage-free loan as your new operating account. So we need to include all income and all expenses, every single thing we want to track for this. So this is what I use personally to track my expenses. And there's other ways you can do it. There's a bunch of different ways, but for those of you guys that just want an easy, 1, 2, 3 month tracker, this is free. You can find it on my website. I'll show you how to find it after this. But how I do this is I just enter in gross income. I do tax deductible retirement contribution. So if I put $500 a month, for example, to a 401k and I got a match, I'd put that match there. If I was doing any Roth contributions, I would do that Roth contribution number right there, just to figure out, how much are we actually contributing to retirement, and then also manually enter in the taxes that they withhold. Now, for net income, mortgage payment, living expenses, debt payment, variable expenses, and fund money, you do not need to enter anything in this top section right here, because you can go down here and enter it in manually. Now, what I do, and then it's all going to sum up at the top. Now, what I do is I like tangible. I like paper. So I print out credit card statements and bank statements. And what I'm going to do from there is I'm going to go through that line by line by line and actually highlight it out. It's going to take an hour on Sunday. It's going to be a little bit of a pain, but if you're serious about wanting to pay off your mortgage, it's going to be worth it in the end. And I input every single thing. So Cheesecake Factory, you're having a great time at Cheesecake Factory, $200. That's going to go, and that's going to be fun money. Mortgage payment, enter that in, and then you select the category mortgage payment. If you went to Costco, $350, that's a living expense. Parking, variable expense. Internet, golf, and then you paycheck. So when you get your paycheck, let's say you got it on February 7th, 2025, and it was $8,000. That's what you took home. You put that in there, boom, income. Let's say you got another one on 2/21. It was $1,000. Select income, and then it's all going to go up here, and it's going to sum up here, and it's going to show you exactly what your numbers look like. Remember, we're looking for surplus income of about 25% rule of thumb every single month. Now, I would recommend you do at least a month, maybe 2 months. But if you want to go 3 months, that's fine. So there's these different tabs down here on the bottom. And then as a bonus, if you want to do your net worth and figure out exactly what your net worth is, you don't have to do this for mortgage-free life, but it's just kind of something cool to see. There's assets, fair market value, bank accounts, qualified accounts, investment accounts, etc. Enter in the fair market value. It'll total up the assets down here automatically. And then you enter in your liabilities. This is going to be your mortgage on the primary residence. This is going to be other mortgages on rental property if you have it, loans against retirement accounts, credit card debt, car loans, student loans, and then other. And then that is going to calculate down here and give you your approximate net worth, which for this example is $1.4 million. Now, to get this, all you have to do is go to my website, jeffhhanna.com, which you can find below in the video, and you can click right there on expense tracker, and that will take you to this page right here, and then you just hit make a copy. Once you make a copy, very, very simple, that is going to be in your Google Sheet now, or your Google account, and then you can rename it here. Like you could call it, if your name was Jeff Personal Expense Tracker. So simple as that. Very easy way to figure out your income and expenses to see if you qualify. I'll be back next week with, my regular videos teaching different financial strategies. If you want, all you have to do is go there to my website. You'll get this absolutely free. So take care. Hope you have a good one. Bye.